Hi guys, my name's Jack. I'm from Johnny Z's and this is our latest build. It's a XM Falcon Coupe and it was built for one of our customers, Linda Rowe. When Linda came and saw us a few years ago, she wanted something that was a little bit different but showed that she was feminine, and so we came up with this colour scheme, and I thought pink with purple with grey wheels, and she said to me, hey, I'm not a wiggle, I don't want that type of paint scheme. But we did a couple of drawings and we did a couple of layouts for her and she was sold on it, and this is the end result of what we have. It's more of a pro tourer. It has very updated front suspension, rear suspension, running fuel injected 351 Windsor. It was built to be a good street driver. It's not a big show car. It was never intended to be a show car, but a very clean street car. And hopefully our work has paid off, and this is the end result of it. Well look, usually with our customers, they come in and we show them progress of what we're up to, but because of COVID, Linda saw the car when it was on rotisserie, when it was in bare metal, and when they unveiled it on Saturday, it was the first time she had seen the car in 2 years. So she was a bit teary, a bit overwhelmed, and she couldn't take it all in, so she's been backwards and forwards having a look at the car. So it's all good, she loves the car, and we're hoping that the more she gets to see it, she'll see all the fine points, all the custom detail that we've done through the car. Yep, if you go to www.johnnyz's.com, you can see all our latest builds up on the page. We're always updating whatever we've got in the shop and where we're up to. We've got a few new builds on the go for MotorEx. We'll be back again next year.